In this video, we'll walk you through how to mount your television to a smart TV lift mechanism. Begin by plugging the TV lift into a standard wall outlet and switching the lift mechanism to the on position. Using the remote control, press and release the up button to raise the lift. Before making any adjustments or mounting your TV, always switch the lift to the off position. Never work on the lift while it is powered on. This prevents accidental movement and helps ensure your safety. Place your television face down on a soft, protected surface. Measure the height of the TV from the bottom edge to the top. Next, measure from the padded platform to the top of the lift mechanism. Loosen the Phillips head screws on the padded platform and adjust the platform height to the smallest measurement that still allows the top of the lift to remain slightly visible above the television. Once positioned, fully tighten the screws. This adjustment minimizes how much of the lift mechanism is visible above the TV. Route your personal cabling through the exit hole in the padded platform. Then secure the cables neatly using the built-in wire management clip shown here. Ensure your cables have enough length to accommodate the full range of machine movement, and make sure they do not become caught in or underneath the machine. Now measure from the bottom of your TV to the center of the top TV mounting hole. Adjust the TV mounting bracket by measuring from the padded platform to the center of the slot on the mounting bracket, ensuring both measurements match. Select the correct bolt size and length for your television. We supply the most common bolt sizes, and additional sizes are available at most hardware stores. Carefully place the TV onto the padded platform, centering it from left to right. Insert both mounting bolts using 1 washer per large bolt, or 2 washers if using the smaller bolts, and tighten securely. Do not over-tighten. Next, plug your TV into the outlet labeled Current Sensing for TV Use Only. This outlet allows cabinets with a built-in IR system to automatically raise or lower the TV when the television is turned on or off. After connecting your TV, switch the lift mechanism back to the on position so it is ready for operation. If the TV moves up or down without a command, adjust the current sensing delay switch to position 2. If the TV continues to move unexpectedly, or if you prefer not to use this feature, set the switch to the off position. Your TV lift offers 4 methods of control: the supplied RF remote, manual switches on the control box, Google and Apple mobile apps, contact closure control. If you require additional assistance, please contact us at 877-377-5435.